Hey family, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope that you're well. For today's video, we're going to be making a delicious yet very simple tomato sauce. You can make it from home, so homemade tomato sauce from scratch. So we're gonna get right into the video because it's very easy, simple, a sauce that you can use on your pizza, in your pasta, or any way you choose to use your tomato sauce at home, right? So let's get straight into it. But before we do so, please remember to like this video and to subscribe to my channel for more recipes and delights. Now let's get started. When your tomato is cool enough to touch, remove all the skin, drain the excess water away from the tomato, and then we're going to move on to the next step, which is adding everything, all the ingredients into a blender and blending it smoothly, and that is the final process. So yay, let's get to it. Garlic, onion, all other spices and flavoring, salt. We're adding in a little dark sugar for that depth of flavor, and then we're gonna blend everything together until it is very smooth and pour it out into a bowl. Yes family, this is the end product and I promise you it is so tasty. I use this one on some pizza, some my style of pizza. So I'm gonna show you how I did that in the next clip. Yeah, the pizza here easy to make for true. All you need is some bread. So you go toast the bread. Then you go put the tomato sauce where you just make on top of it. You go put a good dose of it on top of it because the bread need to be a little bit soggy because the bottom of the bread are gonna be crispy. So it gonna be like that pizza crust with that gumminess. Also, we're gonna put a little bit of homemade vegan mayonnaise. We know how to make this already because I show you how to make it in a previous video, at a previous time. Then you add whatever toppings you want to the top. So here some just I use some regular vegetables sauteed. Then you add some more tomato sauce to it up, toast it up, slice it up and serve it up so your whole family got a pizza meal to dive into. So pizza night for the entire family, vegan, easy, homemade. Homemade is also always a great option because you can add whatever ingredient that you like the most of and take out what you really don't like. So having homemade, especially now that we're stuck at home, is great.